Hi, everyone. So I'm going to talk about a project I've been working on for 2 years now, and it's called Traefik, and it's a reverse proxy and load balancer, and written in Go, obviously. So first of all, who am I? As you might have guessed, with my terrible accent, I'm French. I'm a DevOps and developer. And so I love Go, obviously, Docker, Linux. And I'm the CEO of Containers, a company I created to build Traefik. And so I'm the creator and one of the maintainers of Traefik. So first question, why building another reverse proxy? We already have multiple reverse proxy on the market. And for example, Nginx, HA proxy, which are both really stable and perform really well. Quick answer is microservices, because for few years, companies have been deployed their application using a new architecture. Instead of deploying a big monolithic application into production, they split this big monolithic application into multiple services. And this allows to get loosely coupled services. The infrastructure is supposed to be more robust to change. And another great thing is that it allows to deploy your application using multiple languages. So you are not supposed to use only Java or only Go. For example, you can use multiple languages, which is great. On the other hand, microservices infrastructure lead to a really dynamic infrastructure. So this means that you will be able to deploy new services or to update your services many times per hour or per minute. So this is a real issue for certain kind of tools, for example, a reverse proxy. So if you want to add a reverse proxy in front of a microservices infrastructure, let's see what happens. So you want to route all incoming requests, so ingress network traffic, through your reverse proxy to your infrastructure, so from internet to your internal network, using, for example, specific HTTP headers like host to route to the good microservices. And all your microservices will be deployed and managed by an orchestrator, like, for example, Docker, Swarm, Mesos, Kubernetes, so what you want. If you used a traditional reverse proxy like HA proxy or Nginx, you will probably need to generate new configuration files each time you deploy a new microservices, and it can lead to a terrible software to write and to manage at runtime. So here comes Traefik. The really simple thing with Traefik is that it's able to listen, to connect to the orchestrator API and to listen to every orchestrator event. So each time you deploy a new microservices in your infrastructure, Traefik will get the event and will generate its own configuration automatically. And each time a new service is deployed, without needed to restart the process. So this is really simple. So some features of Traefik. So obviously, it's written in Go, and it allows us to generate a single binary. So it allows us to generate a really tiny Docker image with the same size of the binary. We support multiple configuration backends, so we can connect to Docker, to Swarm, to Kubernetes, Mesos, Marathon, Rancher, Consul, etcd, and more. So we can hot reload without changing process, without changing the PID of the process, and it really matters if you deploy Traefik in a container. We support multiple load balancing strategy like weighted round robin, dynamic round robin, and more to come. You can add some secret circuit breakers in your infrastructure. And we support WebSocket and HTTP too. But more features. One of the great features of Traefik is that you can let him generate automatically all your SSL certificates. That means that each time you deploy a new microservices, if you want, you can let Traefik, using Let's Encrypt, generate a new certificate for this subdomain. So this is really useful, and you don't have to manage SSL certificate anymore. It has an official Docker image, so you can just Docker pull Traefik. It provides health checks, and more recently, we can now export some internal metrics directly and natively to Prometheus, a great monitoring tool written in Go. So some few metrics. It's becoming to be a big project. We've got more than 8,000 stars on GitHub. It has been downloaded more than 11 million times on Docker Hub. We have made more than 800 pull requests, and more than 150 contributors have made code in Traefik. So we are currently 10 maintainers on the project. The company Containers, we just raised 1 million euros. So this allows us to hire a team of developers to make the project bigger and bigger. So I have stickers if you want. Great logo. Thank you very much.